How can I add teachers and learners to my courses? Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add teachers and learners to your courses. Account holders are those who created new accounts at Estatoora LMS, and they are called authenticated user. Basically, they don't have a specific role on the site. It is the administrator's job to make them a learner, a student, or a teacher on the course they had roles with. As an admin, you can add several users in bulk with the text file made from the spreadsheet program. To see this, we recommend watching our video on how can I add users to my LMS. To add users to a course, click the participants link on the left and click Enroll Users. An admin can choose to enroll them as teachers, students, or another roles. When a regular course teacher clicks the button we talked about earlier, they can enroll other teachers. Now, clicking Show More offers the option to specify the start date and length of enrollment. When you save, the newly enrolled users will appear in the participants list with their roles. You can make changes by clicking the edit icon, and remove them if needed by clicking the unenroll icon. As a recap, here's a summary on how you can add teachers and learners to your courses. Administrator can enroll teachers and learners in bulk into courses with a text file. Administrators can enroll teachers and learners into individual courses from participants, enroll users. Course teachers can enroll learners to their own course from participants, enroll users. Now that you learned how to add teachers and learners to your courses, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in the LMS course documentation. Thank you!